Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Our today's topic is displaying data. So in this we are going to learn how to draw different types of graphs. So we start with the bar graph. The table shows the number of driving tests taken by a group of students before they pass the test frequencies. We are supposed to show this information on the bar chart. So we draw the x-axis and y-axis. So this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. We show the number of tests on x-axis and we show the frequencies on y-axis. So 5 students took one test, 9 students took two tests, 4 students took three tests, and 2 students took four tests, and 1 student took five tests. So number of tests we are going to plot against x-axis. So number of test one, the students are 5. So we show a vertical bar or a rectangle at 1, and the gaps between the rectangles are equal here. Two tests, the number of students are 9, so this is 9. The three tests, the number of students are 4. For four tests, the number of students are 2, and for five tests, the number of students are 1. So this is the basic information about the bar graph, children. Based on bar graphs, you are supposed to answer different types of questions that we will be seeing in the another video. And remember, the space between the bars is always the same. So next type of graph that we are going to learn is pie chart. Okay. So pie, it is a sectors, okay, a circular graph. So the table shows the drinks sold in a cafe. Show the information on a pie chart. So to draw the pie chart, what do we do is first we need to calculate the sector angle, the central angle. For that, we find the total of this. The total of this is 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. 21 plus 6 is 27. And 27 plus 3 is 30. So this 30 done. After that, how do we calculate the sector angle? So first one, it is coffee, the frequency is 4. So 4 upon total multiplied by 360. So we find the value of each angle. So 30, we simplify this, we get 3 times 12 is, when we divide 360 by 30, we get 12. So each angle is going to be, for 1, it is going to be 12. So 4 times 12, it is going to be 48 degree. So this is how we calculate the angles here. So the per drink, it is 12 degree. So there are 4 drinks, so 4 times 12. So 10 drinks will be 10 times 12, and that is how it is going to be 120 degree. Apple is 7, so 7 times 12, which is going to be 84 degree. And orange is 6, so 6 times 12, it is going to be 72 degree. And lemon is 3, so 3 times 12, it is going to be 36 degree. And when we add all of these angles, definitely you should get 360 degree. So this is how we calculate the angles now, 4 times 12, and these are the sector angles calculated. The total of the sector angles, you will always get 360 degree. Now to draw the pie chart, we take the convenient radius and draw a circle and one of the radius, and keeping the protractor here, we go on drawing the continuous angles. So first one is 48. So we draw an angle of 48 degree, and this represents coffee. Then next is 120 degrees. So we draw a 120 degree angle, and this is your T. So this is going to be 120 degree angle in continuation you are going to draw. Next is apple, which is 84 degrees. So we draw an 84 degree angle here, and which shows apple. And then orange is 72 degrees. So we draw 72 degree angle. This is our orange. And the last what is left automatically comes to 36 degree. You can measure with the protractor, and which is our lemon. So this is how our pie chart is ready. So important is calculating the central angles. So central angles is calculated by frequency divided by the total of frequency multiplied by 360 degree. Okay. Next type of chart is pictograph. Okay. So it is also called a pictogram, or we also call it as a pictograph. So here the table shows the number of cars sold by a salesman. In January, he sold 6 cars, February 6, March he sold 10, in April 5, and May 9, and June 6. So as the name pictogram, so the graph. So we show one symbol and we write that as a key. So we draw a symbol of a car, and this one symbol of a car represents 2 cars. So suppose we have to show how many cars are there in month of Jan. So it is 6. So since 1 represents 2, here we'll be showing 3 cars. So this is how the picture of 3 cars will be drawing here. For Feb again, it is 6. So we'll be showing 3 cars. For March, it is 10. So we'll show 5 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for April, it is 5. So we'll be showing 2.5. So we'll draw the half picture of a car over here. For May, it is 9. So we'll be showing 4.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the half of that. And June again 6. So we'll be showing 3 cars. So this is called a pictograph or a pictogram. The next graph is continuous data. The graph of a continuous data, which we call as histogram. Okay. Now histogram again, we are supposed to show the lifetime of batteries, 20 batteries, okay, on the histogram. So the lifetime of the batteries we are going to show on the histogram. So the data now 6.5. So we write the lifetime in hours. So 6.5 is the lowest reading here is, when we look at the lowest reading is 6.5. And the highest reading here is 10.3. So the range between we can have the range of this 10.3 between 10 and 11. So this is how we write the lifetime hours as an inequality. 6 less than equal to x less than equal to 7. So this lies between 6 and 7. And how many such are there? There are 2. So which are those? This one and this one. There are 2 such readings. Okay. The next, it is 7 to 8. There are 6 such batteries. For 8 to 9, there are 7 batteries. From 9 to 10, there are 4 batteries. And from 10 to 11, there is 1 battery. So when we do it, 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 19 plus 1, 20. There are 20 batteries. Now to show this data on his graph, on a histogram, again we draw x-axis and y-axis. And we will plot the lifetime in hours along x-axis and the frequency in y-axis. Okay. So 6 to 7, there are 2 batteries. So now here you can see between 0 to 6, there is only 1 unit ka gap. And then there is everywhere you can see the 2 units gap. So for that reason, we show this as a kink, which is called a break of axis. This break of axis says the gap here is not same. Here it is 1 unit, but here it is 6 units. So the axis started long back. So this is how this kink which shows the break of axis. Now 6 to 7, you have 2 batteries. So this is a rectangle which show. And the another rectangle, it is in the continuation, no gap. Okay, 6 to 7, then 7 to 8. 7 to 8, we have 6 batteries. So we show another rectangle with 7 to 8. Then 8 to 9, we have 7 batteries. So this is 7 over here. And 9 to 10, you have 4 batteries. This is how we show here 4. And 10 to 11, we have 1 battery. So this is how we draw the histogram from the given data. Got it? Understood? So children will be coming up with more such videos on the question based on different types of graphs. This was a basic information about different types of graphs. If you like the video, please do not forget to share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.